really hope na magawa yung laptop ko.
So it's gonna cost you to fix the display, but it's pretty expensive.
What?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl right here, Relisa, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today, kung makikita nyo medyo formahan tayo mga sis dahil tayo pupunta sa malayong lugar, which is Tokyo. Malayong lugar talaga. Ang tagal ko nang di nakapunta ng Tokyo because of COVID. But I need to go today dahil unfortunately, my laptop has been having problems. I will be showing you a picture right here. And basta isang araw na lang na binuksan ko siya, wala akong ibang ginawa, hindi siya nabagsak, hindi siya nabangga or anything. Tapos bigla na lang siya naging ganyan when I opened it. Nagkaroon siya ng pink screen or like line sa screen. But then when I checked it, everything is functioning, like speakers, trackpad, yung sliders, okay lahat except the screen. So my train's going to be here in a few minutes and I'll see you. Here's my train, guys. Guys, we're already here in the train. Ayan. Maayos naman natin nakita ang ating seat. Kung curious kayo guys, what the train looks like, papakita ko sa inyo na mabilisan. Para siyang 5-star na bus, pero train. Yun. Tapos yung aking target laptop na dito sa tabi ko. I'm out of the train and dito tayo sa Senju. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi dito kami usually nakakawala. So, we're just going to follow the line. We're going to ride Chiyoda line train. That's the Chiyoda line, guys. So, we're going now. So, sabi ko sa inyo guys, medyo nakakaba kapag yung transfer is Senju because it's such a big station. Pero, wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan natin maging independent. So guys, I finally made here in Omotensando. Yahoo! Nilabasan ko na exit. And then, ayan na yung Apple Store. And look at the Apple Store here. So big, so spacious, and it looks wild, yo. I'm actually just walking around kasi maaga pa ako sa appointment. But look at what's behind me. It's Saint Laurent, guys, Saint Laurent. And then beside Saint Laurent, we have Michael Kors, and who's wearing Michael Kors today? Yeah, girl. Yahoo! Ito naman sa inyo guys, masyado tayo napapaligiran ng mga pangmalakasang store. So we have Jimmy Choo, we have Dior, we have Harry Winston, pero among everything else na nakita ko, ito lang ang nakaka-relate ako. Butcheron! Ang sarap ng butcheron! Namiss ko na ang butcheron sa Pinas. Grabe, sobrang social. Oh, can you see? There's Fendi behind me. And then beside Fendi, we have Celine. You know, very casual. Okay, so across Fendi, we have here Gucci, you know, another casual store. And then beside it, we have Armani. Kung akala niya guys, nagtatapos na doon yung mga stores na makikita sa Omotensando, you're wrong because look what's beside me. It's Chloe, guys. After Chloe, we have, what is this? Valentina. Actually, ako lang mag-isa dito. And then, I'm doing this all by myself. Bahala na kung pagtinginan tayo ng mga tao, hindi naman nila tayo na kikilala, hindi naman tayo naintindihan. So, we'll take this bridge, going to the other side. It's Chanel, you guys. We have here another store of Dior. and Dior para more on perfumes and makeup. And then this one is for, I think, bags and clothes. So while I'm walking, I saw this Goku burger. And hindi ko alam kasi isa lang naman ang kilala kong Goku. If you know what I mean. Hello, Dragon Ball Z. And also, look at this. Look at what's happening to my eyeglasses. This is everyday struggle, guys. Wearing a mask and wearing eyeglasses. Hindi ka na makahinga. Hindi ka pa makakita. Oh my gosh, the struggle. Oh my gosh. And now, guys, you're approaching my favorite part of my SM department store. Louis Vuitton. My gosh, nakaka-intimidate mga sis dahil merong mga guards. May mga taga-bunday sa entrance. Paano ka naman papasok dyan? Nakalagi akong sundan ng mga ano dyan, mga assistant. Tingin lang po.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I went to the toilet to freshen up a little bit dahil medyo gumugulo na yung hair ko kakalakad. And then I went to the Apple store and asked the staff about my appointment. And I'm so happy kasi sinagot ako agad ng English. Sinasabi ko na nga ba, laki ng tiwala ako sa Omotensando. Nag-English yung staff. The staff said that I can go inside the Apple store 10 minutes before my appointment. So, mga 12:50 ako babalik doon. And we still have a lot of time. So, I'm walking now towards Line Friends. Ayan, kasi malapit lang naman siya, mga 8-minute walk. Here we go, Line Friends. Perfect for winter. So it's 3,000 and then it comes like this. Oh my gosh, it's also glow in the dark. What? Shut up, glow in the dark blankets. This is so cute. So kapag nakapatay na yung ilaw sa kwarto, oh my gosh, this will glow. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so tempted. Meron ding skirt blanket that looks like this. It's very fluffy, as you can see. It has a gray and a dark blue one. If you're wondering how it looks like when it's worn, it looks like this. Actually, I wear yung ganitong kind of towel after maligo kasi gusto ko yung degarter. Tapos hindi na siya nalalaglag sa body mo after you shower. Kind of like tempted to buy it kasi like as a teacher, diba, like we can plan like weekly activities for our students. Wala lang. Justify ko lang yung pagbili ko. Actually, there's like a monthly one. Ito pala yung loob ng monthly, guys. I think I'm just gonna buy the monthly one. And then I think I'm gonna buy also the lockout sleeve of that. Looks good. So I'm gonna buy this too. I kind of want to buy one also of this one. It's actually a mouse pad, but I was like thinking to get this one for my study table and then make this one like a poster. Looks cute. And now, di ko na malayan yung oras. It's already 12:52, I think. So we're heading back to Apple to have my laptop checked. Let's go. I'm already inside the Apple store. As you can see, sobrang ganda ng Apple store dito. And then, here are the stamps. Actually, grabe yun. Siya parang pogi yun. Bago ako pinapasok dito sa Apple Store, chinek muna yung aking temperature. And then, the staff outside will double check your appointment. So, di ka pwede pumunta sa loob kapag wala kang appointment. Pinupo mo sa table. And I think staff will come and talk to me. Before pala ako pumunta dito sa Apple, kagabi, binack-up ko na lahat ng files ko inside my Mac para if ever they need to reformat it or anything, I have all my files with me. I really hope na magawa yung laptop ko.
Let me take the detail.
Okay. But this laptop, I bought it in the Philippines because I'm from the Philippines, so I bought it there.
No problem.
And I don't think my warranty is still on time because I bought it 2018, December.
Like on December, yeah.
Yeah, so
Let me check.
she took my laptop inside and she said she'll run diagnostics. And yeah, I pretty much told everything about what happened in my laptop. She said maybe it's about like the cable that is wrong.
One eternity later.
Your warranty is expired, right? So it's gonna cost you to fix the display, but it's pretty expensive.
Oh,
This is the price.
okay.
So if you're okay with that, we can send it to the factory to fix it.
Okay, but is there any other way? No, that's just the price. Oh, okay.
So this is like a flat rate. If there's a more component need to be fixed, it's all included.
Oh,
So
okay.
we will send it to the factory. They will check it out with the bad component, and then they will replace whatever need to be replaced. Usually takes like between like a week.
Okay, but after that one, where will I be getting my laptop? In here, in this store again?
So if you don't mind to put your credit card information, we can
Oh.
send it back to your place.
Oh, okay.
So we will charge from your credit card. Or like you can pick up here. You can pay on credit card or cash.
So I will not be paying right now.
No.
I will only pay when I pick it up.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe that will be my choice. Okay. My MacBook's repair charge is going to cost me like 68,000 yen. But like the brand new one is 134. It's almost half. I wanna cry. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back here in Omotensando exactly 1 week after I brought my laptop in the Apple Store for repair. And one thing that I'm so happy to tell you guys is that the process here in Japan is so fast because I brought my laptop in Apple Saturday. Sunday, I got an email that they're telling me that the laptop is already in the factory and they're going to start the repair already. And then the next day, which is Monday, I got an email telling me that my laptop is ready for pickup already because the repair is done. So, you know, ang bilis lang nagawa yung laptop ko. But then, I couldn't pick it up right away because I live a little bit far from Omotesando, from Tokyo. So, I waited for the weekend, which is today. And I'm going back to the Apple Store to get my laptop. Ay.
Apple Mac stay.
Ay, okay! Sobrang cute nung security guard sa labas na nag-check ng temperature ko because he was trying his best to speak in English. And then he took my temperature, and as usual, we're asked to sanitize our hands. And now I'm going down.
This is a report by repair center. Here. So we replace only display.
Okay.
Okay.
Only the display.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case, you can check this.
Okay. So yes guys, I'm already out of the Apple Store. I already got my laptop here in the bag. Hindi ko natuloy yung pag-film ko sa loob ng Apple Store kanina kasi my phone reached its limit for the storage. And yeah, it was pretty much very straightforward. They asked for my name and then the staff came with my laptop and then I checked it. It was good. They didn't need it to restart my laptop to repair it. It's just really the display. Pero yung price na binayaran ko talagang yumaman na naman ng apples. Sabi kasi nyo nangihina ang tuhod ko mga sis. Kasi it's still the same price, which I told you earlier, 68,000 yen. So, wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan nating bayaran. So, that's it guys for my Apple journey. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two with this vlog. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button if you haven't yet. As well as the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified every time that I post a new video. So, see you on the next vlog guys. Bye!